Assembly video. Installing the main machine. According to different products, the height of the machine can be adjusted through these 4 holes. Retractable supporting leg effectively prevent the machine from tilting when turning to the right. Press the base firmly, exhaust the air from the suck, and then plug the holes on the sucker. Remove the 2 cover nuts. Install pressure handle. Fixed with the cover nut. Be sure to tighten the nuts on both sides. Install the down plate. Install heating plate. Adjust the knob to proper position. Use 2 pieces screws to fix. Plug in aviation connector. This is the high temperature pad and the sponge pad. Put on the high temperature cloth. Put on the mat. Main machine installation is complete. Installing the mark press. Dismantle the up heating plate. Dismantle the down plate. Assemble the mark heating pad. Use 4 pieces screws to fix. Assembled mark heating pad installed on the machine. Use 4 pieces screws to fix. Connecting the aviation connect. Mark heating pad installation is complete. Installing the pad heater. Dismantle mark heating pad. Installing the cap heating pad. Fixed with 2 butterfly nuts. Install the head heating pad. Use 2 pieces screws to fix. Cap heat pad installation is complete. According to different products, the height of the machine can be adjusted through these 4 holes.